What's up guys, today I'm going to go through and edit this camera screen transition. So here's my raw video clip, and the first thing I'm going to do is freeze frame where I want the transition to start. I'm going to hold shift and press H, and that's going to create a freeze frame. And then I'm going to select B on the keyboard and just trim the video clip in the same place that I created the freeze frame. And then the next thing I'm going to do is select my freeze frame and go to the effects tab and go to masks and add the draw mask effect. And then I'm going to zoom in and draw around the screen on the camera. And then I'm going to select invert mask, let's zoom back out. And then I'm going to select the video clip, go to the transform button, hit the drop down menu and click crop. Click the Ken Burns effect here. And then I want to make this end red square small so it fits inside of the mask we just made inside the camera frame. And if you hold down Command and move it around, then you can be more accurate with it. Okay, so if we click done, then you can see the video clip will zoom in to the camera screen. If I cut this clip, then it will make the zoom quicker. So next step is to animate the camera screen. So I'm going to select this video clip and copy and paste it. And then on the bottom video clip, I'm going to select it, go up to the draw mask effect and just click invert mask. And then I'm going to go to the crop tool, the Ken Burns, and the red square that we added to the camera screen. I'm going to drag that just above the camera screen. And you'll see now that the camera screen slides down to the bottom. And if you wanted it to slide to the side, then you just go to the Ken Burns and you just move the red square to the side of the camera screen. And now it slides off to the side, and we can shorten this so that the screen slides off first. So the next step is to drag your second video clip that you want to transition to underneath the two video clips, and then just trim the second video clip at the same point as the end of that one. And then I'm going to select it and just add like a zoom out effect. So I'm going to go to the crop tool, the Ken Burns. So I'm just going to click this button up here on the top left, which switches the start and end point. So now the end point should go around the outline of the video clip, and the start point I'm just going to make really big. So let's zoom out and make the start point way bigger so that we get a zoom out effect. And so now we have that video clip zooming out with the zoom in of the camera. And there are some black lines around here where it doesn't zoom out quick enough. So we can just trim this a little bit and then extend the second video clip. Okay, so next step, I'm going to add some motion blur to this. So I'm going to go to my titles tab up here and go to motion blur. This plugin doesn't come with Final Cut Pro, but I'll leave a link to it down below in the description. It's a free download. And I always like to use moderate motion blur too. And if we cut this down, just add some nice motion blur to it to smooth out the transition. And then I also added a bit of handheld shake effect to the final product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.